Today's questioner asks, how do you measure your daily productivity? The short answer, if I finish most of what I had on my to-do list for the day, I consider it a productive day. But I'm guessing you're more interested in the long answer. Here's how I measure my daily productivity. I have a list of things I know are time sinks, things that do not contribute to my life in any way. They simply distract me from my day-to-day. These aren't bad in and of themselves, but they become a problem when they take time away from things that help me live a life I love. The more time I spend on the distractions each day, the less productive I feel. When I instead redirect that time to crossing tasks off my to-do list and ensure I'm getting sufficient self-work and self-care, I feel much more productive. A day which includes a mix of taking care of necessary tasks, exploring my creativity, the opportunity to learn and grow, and resting and nourishing myself would be my ideal productive day. At the end of each day, I reflect back and journal, celebrating my wins from the day. Big or small, these are all my productive wins. By celebrating the things I was able to achieve during the day, each evening, I reinforce the desire to continue to be productive while avoiding distractions. One note here, productive does not only equal going, moving, doing. Productive also includes resting and refilling your mental, emotional, and physical energy reserves. Just like filling your gas tank while out running errands is part of your to-do list, filling your own personal energy reserves should also be on your daily productivity to-do list. To learn more about incorporating all aspects of productivity into your day while avoiding distractions, check out my free productivity workshop. I'll link to it in the show notes below. I'm sending you a great big hug. You've got this. I hope you enjoyed this bit of solicited advice. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future episodes.